Hi everyone. In the last class, we discussed about angles topic. So what we discussed in the previous class: acute angle, acute, obtuse, right, straight, zero, complete, and reflex angle. So these all are individual angle. Acute is individual, obtuse, right, straight, zero, complete, reflex. All the angles are individual angles. Now we are going to discuss pair of angles. Here we are going to discuss pair of angles. Pair of angles. What is mean by pair of angles? Here before angles they all are individual angles, but here two angles are going to involve in this pair of angles. First one, the important one, complementary angles. Complementary angles. What is mean by complementary angles? Sum of two angles is equals to sum of two angles is equals to is equal to 90 degrees. What is mean by sum of two angles is equal to 90 degrees? See here angle A is there, angle A, this one 50 degrees, angle A 50 degrees, another angle B is there, that one 40 degrees. So if you add these two angles, angle A plus angle B, angle A plus angle B, sum of these two angles is equal to how much? 50 degrees plus 40 degrees. 50 degrees plus 40 degrees equal to 90 degrees. So if sum of two angles is equal to 90 degrees, those two angles are called complementary angles. Complementary angles. So sum of two angles is equals to 90 degrees, then those two angles are called complementary angles. Now here A is the complement of B, B is the complement of A. How? See, complement of 40 degrees. Which angle value gives this 40 degrees plus that the next angle equal to 90 degrees? That angle is 50. So if you add 50 to 40, then only you will get 90 degrees. So that's why 50 is the complement of 40. Now what is the complement of 50 degrees? Here at the same time, complement of 50. So which angle value gives the 50 plus 40 equal to only 90? That's why complement of 40 is 50, complement of 50 is 40. So this is the concept of complementary angles. Complementary angles and complement. Next, same supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. Supplementary. Second one, supplementary angles. Here sum of two angles is equals to 90 degrees. There 180 degrees. If sum of two angles is equals to 180 degrees, those two angles are called supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. Here first angle 60 degrees. Then what is the supplement of this 60? 60 plus dash is equals to 180. 60 plus dash is equals to 180. Here that is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. One is 60 and another one is 120. 60 plus 120 only 180. So here supplement of 60 degrees is 120 degrees. At the same time, supplement of supplement of 120 degrees is 60 degrees. So 60 is the supplement of 120, 120 is the supplement of 60. So these are the important concepts: complementary angles and supplementary angles. Next, some more pair of angles are there. Some more pair of angles are there. Here you need to know some important concept, that is pair of, in the pair of angles, parallel lines. Here one L line is there, M line is there. These two lines are parallel lines. Sir, how you define these two lines are parallel lines? If the distance between two lines always same at any point, distance between two lines always same, then the two lines are said to be parallel lines. Parallel lines. Now, so these two lines are parallel lines, line L and line M. Line L and line M, two are parallel lines. Now another line and another line in intersecting both the lines at two different points. So this N line is called transversal. This N line is called transversal. This N line is called transversal. So this transversal N intersecting both the L and M line. First, it is a little bit confusing topic, but easy only. First, imagine line L, line M, both of them parallel lines. They are not intersecting, they are parallel. L and M. This L and M, both of them parallel lines. Another third line that is not parallel to L and M, that is intersecting line. So these two L and M lines are intersected by another line N. Now this N is called transversal. L and M, both of them parallel lines. So N is transversal. Now how many angles are formed here? Just observe. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Another here, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7, angle 7, angle 8. Sir, why you are writing in this order? So just if you write them in different order, you may get confused. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now, so 1 and 3, which type of angles? 2 and 4, which type of angles? I am dividing these 8 angles. 1, 2, 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7, angle 8. So total these 8 angles I am dividing into different pair of angles according to them properties. So here total we got 8 angles. So these 8 individual angles I am dividing them into some groups or some pairs. So how I am dividing them, just to see here. Line L, line M, transversal. This line name is transversal. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now first see here 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Angle 1 and angle 3. How they are? Vertically opposite. What is mean by vertical? The vertical means that is intersecting point. Both the line N, line L N line, L line, both of them intersecting at the point. So that point is called vertical. So line L, line N intersecting at that point. Now first, so already two pair of angles we discussed in the transversal system. Third one we are going to discuss. Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. So just simple opposite angles. Angle 1 and angle 3. So both of them vertically opposite. 1 and 3. Sir, 1 and 4 also opposite only, na? But between them line is there. But between the 1 and 3, what is there? Vertical. That vertical means corner. So that intersecting point is there. 1 and 3 vertically opposite. Angle 2 and 4 vertically opposite. Next, what are those vertical opposite? So upside over, downside. Angle 5 and angle 7. Angle 6 and angle 8. 1 and 3 are vertically opposite. 2 and 4 vertically opposite. 5 and 7, 6 and 8. So these all are vertically opposite angles. Next, corresponding angles. What is mean by corresponding angles? Here, fourth one, corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. See, small clarification. This is line upside, downside. Another line, this is upside, downside. So upside, that angle need to be there either upside of both the lines or downside of the both the lines. Okay, first point is clear, that angle need to be upside or downside of both the angles. So I am taking upside. And second point, that need to be same side of the transversal. See, angle 1 is there. Angle 1, is it upside or downside? Upside of the line L. Angle 5, this one also upside of line M. Angle 1 also upside of line L. Angle M also upside of line. Angle 1 also upside of line L. Angle 5 also upside of line M. So both of them upside. Next, both of them same side of the transversal N. So these kind of angles are called corresponding angles. Same side of transversal, and same upside or downside. Same upside or downside of both the lines. So both the lines are either upside or downside. So 1 and 5 upside. Now coming to 4 and 6. Here 4 and 8. Here 4 downside, 8 downside. 4 and 8. So corresponding angles. Next, fourth one, corresponding angles. Fourth one, corresponding angles. So 1 is upside of the line L, 5 also upside of the line L. Sir, 1 and 2 both of them also upside of the line unnai. 5 and 6 also both of them upside of the line. But here the condition is both of them need to be same side of the transversal and both of them either upside or downside. So 1 and 5 or both of them upside of the transversal, upside of the lines and same side of the transversal. Next 2 and 6. 2 and 6, both of them same side of the transversal, right side, and both of them upside of the transversal. Next angle 4 and angle 8, both of them downside of the lines, left side of the transversal. Next 3 and 7, 3 and 7, downside of the lines, right side of the transversal. Simple. Okay. Better you need to write like this: angle 1 and angle 5. So both of them upside, upside, and which side? Left side. Upside and left side. Next same 2 and 6 also. 2 and 6 also. 2 and 6 upside, but are they left side? Right side. UL, UR. Simple. UL, UR. Up, upside, upside, left side, right side. Next 4 and 8. Are they upside? No. Downside. And 4 and 8. Right side or left side? Left side. Next 3 and 7. 3 and 7. Are they upside or downside? Downside. So left or right? Right. UL, UR, DL, DR. So these 4 are corresponding pair of angles. Corresponding pair of angles. Next interior angle, exterior angles. Different types of angles are there. Interior is simple one. Interior. Interior means what? Between the lines. Between the lines. What are those angles in the between the line? 3, 4, 5, 6. Angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6. So these are these angles not pair of angles. So just interior, exterior. So we don't consider them as pair of angles. Just interior, exterior. So fourth one of corresponding after, don't take this interior exterior as a pair of angles, but we need to know that what are those interior inside angles. 3, 4, 5, 6. Exterior, outside of the lines. Exterior 1, 2, 7, 8. So inside angles interior, outside. See 1, 4, 3, 5, 6. Inside of the lines. 1, 2, 7, 8. Exterior, outside of the lines. Interior. Next exterior. Next fifth pair of angles. Allied angles. Allied angles. Alternate angles. Allied angles. Allied angles means both of them need to be interior. Both the angles need to be interior and both the angles need to be same side of the transversal. Interior and same side of the transversal. Interior angles 4 and 5. Angle 4 and angle 5. Both of them interior angles and both of them same side of the transversal. If you add those interior allied angles 4 plus 5, sum of these two angles is equals to 180 degrees. Allied angles are, here the condition or one of the proof, allied angles are supplementary angles. How sir? Sum of two angles is equal to supplementary. 180 means supplementary angles. So allied angles are supplementary angles. Allied angles are supplementary angles. What is the definition of allied angles? The interior angles interior angles which are same side of transversal. The angles which are interior and same side of the angles are called allied angles. So these two angles are called co-interior or allied angles. We can call it as allied angles or co-interior angles. You can call them as allied angles or co-interior angles. At the same time, co-exterior angles. Co-exterior angles. Co-exterior. Simple, same side of the transversal, outside of the lines. Angle 1 and angle 8. Angle 1 and angle 8. Same side of the transversal, both of them exterior. Same side of the transversal, if they are interior, they are called as co-interior and allied. If they are exterior, simply we are calling them as co-exterior. 198, 2 and 7. 198 are co-exterior, 2 and 7 also co-exterior. If they are co-interior, they are calling with special name allied angles. Allied angles. So co-interior, co-exterior. 6 pair of angles completed. Next, seventh one. Alternate interior angles. So the difference between allied angles, alternate interior angles. Simple, in the word only it mentioned they are interior, but how they are interior? Alternate interior is asking. Alternate, different side. 3, what is the alternate for 3? Another side, that is 5. Another one is 5. Sir, why you are taking 3 and 5? 3 and 4 also different side of the transversal. Why you are not taking 3 and 4? Why? Because 3 and 4 are adjacent. Adjacent means they are sharing the common side. See, here and here, common. They are having common vertex. But this 3 and 5, they don't have any common vertex. Just a line is there. So 3 and 5 are alternate interior angles. Angle 4, what is the alternate interior angle to angle 4? Automatically angle 6. These all are alternate interior. Next, alternate exterior. Alternate exterior angles. Simple, 1 and 7, both of them different side of the transversal, both of them outside of the transversal, outside of the lines. 1 and 7. Next, 2 and 8. 2 and 8. Different side of the transversal, outside of the lines. Inside of the lines, interior, alternate interior. Outside of the lines, exterior, alternate exterior. So till now discussed complementary angles. Till now complementary, supplementary, supplementary. Next, vertically opposite, next, corresponding, alternate interior and exterior, allied or co-interior, co-exterior, co-interior and co-exterior. So till now we discussed 8 types of angles. 8 types of angles. Some more types of angles are there. Some more types of angles are there. Those angles are co-interior, completed, supplementary, vertically. Adjacent angles. Simple adjacent angles. 1 and 2. Angle 1, angle 2. So they are having common side. At the same time 1 and 4 also adjacent. 2 and 3, 3 and 4, many adjacent angles. 1 and 2 adjacent, 2 and 3 adjacent. Simple. I will write them as coordinates. 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 3 and 4, 4 and 1. So these 4 are adjacent angles. At the same time 5 and 6, 6 and 7, 7 and 8, 8 and 5. So 4, 4, 8 adjacent pair of angles are there. Adjacent pair of angles are there. Now all the adjacent angles are supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. It means 1 plus 4. Angle 1 plus angle 4 is equals to 180. Angle 2 plus angle 3 is equals to 180. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180. Angle 1 plus angle 2, 2 plus 3, 3 plus 4, all of them equal to 180, 180, 180 degrees. So this is the basic concept to the pair of angles. Next, angle bisector. Angle bisector. What is mean by angle bisector? Simple. This angle equal to 90 degrees. Bisect means dividing into two equal parts. So if you bisect it, if you divide it into two parts, 45 degrees, 45 degrees. If it is 60 degrees, if you divide it into two parts, how many degrees? 60 degrees means 30 degrees, 30 degrees. So bisecting means dividing into two equal parts. Trisecting means tri means 3. Bisecting means two equal parts. Trisecting means 3 equal parts. Now next term. Here one of the problems, just to solve it. Two x plus 10. 2x plus 10. Here 6x plus 10. So find the value of x. Find the value of x. Sir, how we will find this problem? Already we know that these two, if it is a straight line, these two lines are which type of angles? Supplementary angles. Sum of two supplementary angles is equals to 180 degrees. So here the two angles are 2x plus 10 degrees plus 6x plus 10 degrees equal to how much? 180 degrees. Just add the variable terms and constant terms. 2x plus 6x, 8x. 10 plus 10, 20 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. So 8x is equals to 180 degrees. This plus 20 will become minus 20 when you transport to other side. So 20 degrees. 8x is equals to 180 minus 20, 160. So if you transport this constant 8 to other side, what is the relation between 8 and x? Here 8 into x. If you take that one to other side, that will become division. So 160 by 8. 8 ones are 8 20s are. So what is the x value? 20 degrees. X is equals to 20 degrees. Then what is the first angle? 2x plus 10. 2 into 20, 40 plus 10. 40 plus 10, 50. So the first angle 50. Second angle, 6 into 20. 6 20s are 120. 120 plus 10, 130 degrees. So the first angle 50 degrees, second angle 130 degrees. So these kind of problems we are going to discuss in this topic. So if you have any doubts or any type of angle you are not able to understand, means mention that angle in the comment box. So I will try to explain in another video. And if you want more problems on this topic, just mention them in the comment box. So I will clarify your doubts in the next video. Okay, thank you.